Look, Simba, the king of bits. We spotted him. Hey, Simba, we're just coming for you. We saw Simba right here in Kenya National Park.
Nairobi National Park lies just south of downtown Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. It is the world's only wildlife sanctuary situated within a national capital. Established in 1946, it was also Africa's first national park, covering an area of 117 square kilometers. The park is home to over 100 species of animals, including lions, rhinos, and giraffes, and is especially renowned for the endangered black rhinoceros.
So we are now at the Nairobi National Park. Today, we will just take our chances and to say what we can find. Look over there are so many hippos. Five hippos. Did you say the zebras? We are so pretty close, you can see. So the giraffe still ate the grass. That is especially pigs over there, you can say. Lion and anything else? Zebra? Giraffe? Yeah, exactly, giraffe. Look, Simba, the king of bits. We spotted him. Hey, Simba, we're just coming for you. We saw Simba right here in Kenya National Park.
In 24 hours, lions are only active for 4 hours. In 20 hours, they're always sleeping.
Oh.
Because if it eats today, it will not eat for another 3 days. But every day it has to look for some water to drink.
Okay, so we saw the lion lying on the ground. So after this, let's go find the rhinoceros. Rhinoceros, you can say, in front of me, in front of our vehicle. And you can see there's rhinoceros and some bats on the top of the back of him.
The birds will eat insects which suck the blood from the rhino. And also in case there's an attack by lions, it will warn it that lions are coming.
Yeah.
So they make a creeping sound. Then the rhinoceros will run away.
Don't be scared of the person, especially the lion and the rhinoceros and the giraffe. So why?
Most of these animals have been born here, and they were born seeing cars. So they know cars are not dangerous, so they can relate with cars.
Today we have seen lions, rhinos, monkeys, giraffes, and many more animals here in Nairobi National Park. But what makes this truly special is experience of driving through the wild, open Savanna, searching for these creatures in their natural habitat. It's a completely different feeling from seeing them in the zoo or on the screen. It's real, it's raw, and it's unforgettable. Thanks for joining us.